everyone, welcome to English Anyway, where we learn English, no pressure, no perfection.
Hi, Lucy. Can you see me?
I can see you, but your picture keeps stopping.
Oh no, my online class starts in 10 minutes.
Then we should check your internet.
I think my Wi-Fi is not working.
That is a clear way to explain the problem.
My Wi-Fi is not working, and now your face is frozen.
Frozen means the picture has stopped moving.
Ah, the video is frozen. You look very surprised.
I hope it is a good picture of me.
It is interesting.
Thank you, Benji. Is the internet slow or is it completely gone?
The page opens, but it takes a long time.
Then you can say this. My internet is really slow today.
My internet is really slow today.
Exactly. That sentence works when pages or videos will not load.
Good. Then people will know what I mean.
Right. Keep it simple and explain what you can see.
All right. What should I do first?
First, turn the Wi-Fi off and on again.
On my computer?
Yes, try that before you change anything else.
Okay. Wi-Fi off and Wi-Fi on.
Did that fix it?
No. The little circle is still going around and around.
Then restart the router.
What is the router?
So the router is the small box that gives your home a Wi-Fi connection.
Oh, the box with the blinking lights.
That is the one. Turn it off, wait a few seconds, and turn it on again.
All right, now we wait.
This is the quietest part of fixing the internet.
The lights are coming back. Let me try the class page again.
Is it loading now?
Yes, the page is open.
Great, your connection is back.
Connection means the link between my device and the internet, right?
Right, you can say my connection is back when the internet starts working again.
My connection is back. That sounds useful.
It is, but what if the internet stops during your class?
I need to tell my teacher.
Exactly. Keep the message short and clear. Sorry, my connection dropped for a moment.
Dropped? Does that mean it suddenly stopped?
Yes, when a connection drops, it stops for a short time.
Sorry, my connection dropped for a moment.
Good. Then add one more sentence. I am back now.
Sorry, my connection dropped for a moment. I am back now.
Perfect. That explains what happened without a long story.
Much better than telling the class the little box became angry.
Yes, please do not blame the router in front of the class.
I will speak to it later.
Your class page is ready now. Can you hear the teacher?
Yes, but the sound stops sometimes.
Then say this. The audio keeps cutting out.
What does cutting out mean?
It means the sound stops and comes back again.
The audio keeps cutting out. Could you say that again?
Excellent. Now the teacher knows the problem and what you need.
I think I am ready for class now.
Good. Now let us hear the useful sentences together. First, listen. You do not need to repeat yet. My Wi-Fi is not working. My internet is really slow today. Sorry, my connection dropped for a moment. The audio keeps cutting out. Now let us practice out loud. Benji, lead the practice. Everyone listening, say each line with him during the pause.
My Wi-Fi is not working. My internet is really slow today. Sorry, my connection dropped for a moment. The audio keeps cutting out.
Nice! Now hear the situation again at a natural speed. Benji, can you hear me?
Not very well. The audio keeps cutting out.
Is your Wi-Fi working?
My internet is really slow today. I am going to restart the router.
Good idea. I will wait.
Okay, my connection is back.
Great. Your class can start now.
And your face is moving again.
Another problem solved. Today, we fixed one very modern daily problem in simple English. You explained what was happening, tried a solution, and came back to the conversation.
And I learned that the router is not angry. It just needs a restart.
That is progress. Before we go, here is a question for everyone listening. What do you usually do when your Wi-Fi stops working?
I restart everything and hope for the best.
Tell us in the comments. We would love to read your answer.
Bye, everyone. I hope your internet is fast today.
Keep learning English any way you want, and I'll catch you in the next one.